Dear compatriots and fellow congregants, we pray for rain. Many provinces have been devastated by the drought. Our people face high food prices currently because of the drought. The drought also has an impact on the slow economic growth that is slowing down the creation of jobs in our country. We also pray for the families that lost their loved ones during the floods in KwaZulu-Natal.
#SaveWater. For more information, go to www.dws.gov.za. This message is brought to you by the Department of Water and Sanitation.